Yes, welcome to Success Online Class. And today we'll be looking at the JAMB syllabus for chemistry, the complete JAMB syllabus for chemistry 2026. Uh, Everything you need to know about your JAMB syllabus for chemistry 2026, we're going to be showing you and breaking it down for you. Now, why is this video very important? Because I'm aware that you could easily get this syllabus even from the JAMB website. Why this video is important is that we're going to be highlighting some key topics you should not joke with. In my over 10 years experience in training students for JAMB, I've noticed that these topics always come out. So that's why we're going to be analyzing the complete JAMB syllabus for chemistry for the year 2026 and then highlighting the key topics you should not joke with. Now, some students think that the JAMB syllabus they used last year is still what they use this year. No, JAMB updates their syllabus every year because there are so many topics in chemistry and the examiner cannot set exam from all topics in chemistry. So every year when a new JAMB form comes out, they usually update the JAMB syllabus to make sure that the students know the area of concentration. So this JAMB syllabus is very important because to show you the area of concentration for JAMB for 2026. So you don't just read off point or you don't just read without direction, you read with direction. Now, one more thing I need to let you guys know is that most students, when preparing for JAMB, they just start reading and they don't even ask themselves, where is the JAMB syllabus? That's a very wrong move. That's the first wrong move that most JAMB candidates make. So they just start reading randomly without asking themselves, where is the JAMB syllabus? You're preparing for an exam. It's only right that you should know the kind of questions that can come out for that particular exam. So today, what I'll be helping you guys do today is that I'll be breaking down all the topics in the JAMB syllabus for the updated JAMB for 2026 session. And I'll also be highlighting some key topics you should not joke with. They don't fail to come out every year in the exam. So I wanted to get the writing material, and then follow this class through to the end. If you're following this class, before we start, drop a yes comment in the comment section. Drop a yes in the comment section to show that you're following the class. Now let's get started. You're all welcome. Now, the first topic in JAMB, when you're reading for chemistry JAMB, the first topic you should take note of is separation of mixtures and purification of chemical substances. Yes, separation of mixtures and purification of chemical substances is number one topic. That's the first chapter you should cover in chemistry for JAMB. Separation of mixtures and purification of chemical substances. After you've looked at separation of mixtures, what is involved in separation of mixtures? Now you're looking at your separation techniques. Yes, separation techniques. In this part of the JAMB syllabus, we'll be looking at the difference between pure substance and impure substance. Actually, in chemistry, we have what we call pure substance and impure substance. You look at the difference between pure and impure substances. You also study your elements, your compound, and your mixture. Yes, elements, compound, and mixture, homogeneous substance and heterogeneous substances. We're going to study it there. Now, in chapter 2, the next thing after separation of mixtures and preparation of compounds is chemical combination. Now, I want you to test something. If you have a chemistry textbook, a secondary school chemistry textbook, you'll notice that your chemistry textbook does not follow these chapters like this. Yes, you might see this in the beginning of a chemistry textbook, but the next chapter after separation is not chemical combination. That's to tell you that what JAMB considers as important is different from what your secondary school must have taught you in chemistry that is important. Are we together? So your JAMB syllabus has skipped. There are some topics between purification of substances and chemical combination that your JAMB syllabus has skipped for year 2026 session. So someone that is just going to their textbook, you just have a chemistry textbook and you just started reading randomly, you'll be reading a lot of topics that the JAMB syllabus does not require you to read. So this is the importance of we doing this video to show you the key topics that comes out in JAMB every year for chemistry. So you look at chemical combination. In chemical combination, this is where you'll be looking at reactions, chemical reactions. Why do elements react? And so when they react, the products will be formed. Balancing of chemical equations. You'll be looking at it under chemical combination. You might also be looking at stoichiometry, reactions, reacting masses, reacting volumes, and so on and so forth. Chemical combination. Then chapter 3 is kinetic theory of matter and gas laws. If you open your secondary school chemistry textbook, I can bet you that these are not the first 3 topics in your chemistry textbook. These are not the first 3 topics in your chemistry textbook. But JAMB is saying, give me these topics. So it means that JAMB syllabus has skipped some topics. So it even makes your job very easy. So the third topic is kinetic theory of matter and gas laws. In this third topic, you'll be looking at your gas laws, your Charles law, your Boyle's law, your Gay-Lussac's law, your Dalton's law of partial pressure. Yes, you'll be looking at your general gas laws. You'll be looking at your ideal gas equation. Yes, all your gas laws and the formulas, make sure you study them very well. It's important for JAMB. After that, the next thing you'll be looking at is atomic structure and bonding. Yes, very, very, very important. Atomic structure and bonding. Yes, you need to learn everything about atomic structure. That is atomic theory. Yes, atomic structure. Under atomic structure, I think the subtopic you have isotopy. Yes, you'll be learning isotopy. And there's a calculation involved in isotopy. You must learn the calculations. What are isotopes? Remember, the isotopes is an phenomenon in elements whereby they have what? They have the same atomic what? Number, but different atomic masses. And elements that exhibit isotopy are called isotopes. So you'll be asked to calculate the average atomic weight of an isotope A and isotope B. So you learn that isotopy, atomic structure, and isotopy very, very, very important. The next topic after atomic structure and chemical bonding you need to learn that is very, very, very important. Please take note of this topic. I intentionally noted it down because it is very, very important. You need to learn what we call shapes of molecules. Shapes of molecules. JAMB loves this topic a lot. Shapes of molecules. Yes. For example, you could be asked, what's the shape of the carbon dioxide molecule? The carbon dioxide molecule is what? Is linear in shape. The CO2 molecule is linear in shape. What's the shape of the ammonia molecule? The ammonia molecule is trigonal in shape. Yes, trigonal. What is the shape of H2O? Water. Water is V-shaped. Water is V-shaped. Shape of molecules. Another topic that is important for JAMB Chemistry 2026 is organic chemistry. Very important. You cannot escape question on organic. Organic chemistry. Please take note. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry. Very, very, very important. Organic chemistry. Another topic that is very, very important apart from organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, it's a very broad part of chemistry because chemistry is very into organic, inorganic, and nuclear chemistry. So organic chemistry is almost like half of chemistry. So your organic compounds, your alkanes, your alkynes, your benzenes, your alcohols, your aldehydes, your ketones, and their reactions and their tests. Tests for saturated compounds, tests for unsaturated compounds. You must learn all those things. Organic chemistry. The next topic that's important for JAMB is nuclear chemistry. Yes, nuclear chemistry, radioactivity is very, very important to JAMB. Radioactivity is very, very important to JAMB. Radioactivity. Yes, nuclear fission, your alpha particle, your beta capital particles, your gamma particles, and difference between them. Your nuclear chemistry is very important. Another topic that is very, very important is electrolysis. If you read these topics and you don't pass JAMB next year, it means I'm owing you. Because I'm very, very experienced in JAMB. I've taught several JAMB students. I'm tired of getting students that have 300 and above. We've had so many students that blasted 300 and above in JAMB easily because we tutor them with direction. So electrolysis is a topic you should not joke with if you're planning to do well in JAMB. Another topic you should not joke with is solubility. Solubility. Questions always come out on solubility in JAMB. Solubility. Please take note. Solubility. You're always going to be asked questions on solubility. Under solubility, you'll be asked questions on concentration of solution, concentrations as well. You could be asked to find the concentration of a particular solution. Concentration. When you look at concentration, we have mass concentration, you have molar concentration, also known as molarity. So concentration of solution, very important. Solubility of a solution, concentration of solution, very important. Concentration of solution, very important aspect of chemistry. Another aspect that is super, super, super important is the experimental chemistry. Experimental chemistry. When I mean experimental chemistry, I'm talking about the different processes in the laboratory. Your contact process, your Haber process. Are we together? Yes, those processes. Talking about color of ions. When two reactions occur, what ion is given off, what precipitate is formed. When reactant A and reactant B react and you see a white precipitate, what ion is present? What does white precipitate represent? Does it represent calcium? Those kind of funny questions you see in JAMB that you wonder where is it in the textbook? Those experimental aspects of chemistry. What's the color? Which of these gases gives a choking odor? Those kind of questions. Which of these gases gives a pungent smell? Yes. Which of these gases is collected over water? Upward delivery and downward delivery. Those aspects of chemistry, they are very, very tricky. Take note of them. They usually come out. Upward delivery, downward delivery. Which of the following compounds is processed via the contact process or the Haber process? For example, the ammonia is Haber process. The industrial operation, Haber process. We have contact process for sulfuric acid, H2SO4. that aspect. You go to non-metals and their compounds, non-metals and their compounds, the allotropes of carbon. Are we together? Yes. Those aspects of chemistry, very, very important. Go and read them. Yes. Talking about iron, the magnetite, ametite, you understand? You go and read all those things. Tin. Yes, very important. That aspect of chemistry, study all those aspects of chemistry, the experimental aspect of chemistry, very, very, very important. Another aspect that you should not joke with if you're writing JAMB Chemistry is the aspect of quantum theory. Quantum theory. Quantum theory. Talking about your quantum number, that's your principal quantum number, your azimuthal quantum number, your magnetic quantum number, your spin quantum number. Talking about your Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. We have what we call Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. We have Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion principle, we have that. We have half-Bow's rule. Half-Bow's rule. We have half-Bow's rule. Half-Bow's rule, very, very important. These are topics that you should not joke with. Now, if you're watching this video and you're looking for a well-experienced coach, a JAMB coach, you want to score very high in JAMB, you have a target for JAMB this year 2026, and you need someone that will coach you and guide you, someone that has passed through that journey several times. I think you're in the right place. If you're seeing this video, you're very, very lucky. Because we have a class that is starting at the first week of January 2026. In fact, as we are going to start in a serious JAMB coaching class where we'll be coaching students to score very high in JAMB. The person speaking to you here is very experienced in JAMB. I myself, I wrote JAMB 4 years before I got admission to the university. So I failed woefully. I've understood JAMB. I've studied JAMB very, very well before I passed. My last JAMB, I blasted it over 300 because I now got to understand JAMB. And since then, I've been training students in JAMB and we've been producing marvelous results. So we have a WhatsApp group where we add students and then students can enroll into our private coaching program. Please note that it's not free, but if you pay for that class, you get maximum results. If you're interested in someone that will coach and prepare you for JAMB 2026, you don't want to just leave it to chance. You want someone to actually coach you, because to do well in JAMB, you need a lot of coaching. You need someone to actually direct you, show you the topics that are very, very important. So we have affiliations to people that actually, when JAMB was paper and pen, we had affiliation people that used to mark JAMB then. So we knew it. We have like inside information. So why you see me bringing us more of these topics? Because I have inside information. You want someone that will coach and prepare you for JAMB. There's a number you're going to message now. This is a WhatsApp number. I'm going to call it once. Take it down, save it on WhatsApp, and send us a WhatsApp message. When you message us your name, your department, the state you are chatting us from. It's an online class, so distance is not a barrier. No matter where you are, we can teach you and coach you. We've been doing this for several years, so we know what we are doing. The phone number is 081-824-24350. You're going for medicine, you're going for pharmacy, you're going for engineering, you're going for biochemistry, you're going for microbiology, you're going for nursing. You understand? You're going for all your engineering courses, cybersecurity. You're going for all those tough courses, and you need someone that will help you get your department. You don't want them to change, because university, I work in university. So we easily change people's courses. You apply for one course and end up giving you another course. But you want them to give you the course you applied for. You want to start, you have to score very high in JAMB. JAMB is the first place you start from when you want to get your desired course. So you message us on WhatsApp 081-824-24350, and then we're going to add it to our High Achievers group, where we're going to coach you. See fellow JAMB candidates that want to score very well. You join a community of fellow colleagues that want to score very high, and we'll work together and push each other, and then you get your high score in JAMB. So if you're serious, please, only serious students, because it's not a free class, it's a paid class. So if you're not serious, please don't message us. You can do whatever you want to, but you are serious, you want to smash JAMB this year 2026, you want this to be your last JAMB, you want to finally get that course you applied for, send us this message and you may have met the right group that will help you. All right, thank you very much. If you're interested in other videos about JAMB, you can subscribe to our channel. When you hear subscription, you think it's money. No, it's free. Just hit the subscribe button below, and then you have followed us on YouTube. So anytime we post useful videos that can help you, or once in a while I post videos for the general public. But in my private coaching class, I teach my students daily JAMB, chemistry, physics, biology, use of English, all these JAMB survey combinations, mathematics, we teach them and coach them. But once in a while, at least we post useful contents on JAMB in our YouTube page. So you can hit that subscribe button. So anytime the next video drops on JAMB 2026, you can be aware. All right, so send us that DM if you are serious, you want to get a very high score in JAMB 2026. Message us, and then we can start your journey to JAMB success. All right, thank you very much. Watch out for our next video. All right, bye.